Hello, my name is Naomi. I'm 9 years old, and I'm so glad you are here today. Today I have a special guest, Emma.
Hi, I'm Emma, and I'm 8 years old.
Today we're gonna make chocolate dipped strawberries.
Halloween style! Here's what you'll need.
Dipping chocolates in different colors,
Clean, dry strawberries,
candy eyes,
sprinkles,
and a little squirt bottle for putting on decorations. First, let's melt the chocolate.
Follow the instructions on the bag.
First, we're gonna do mummies and ghosts, so we only melted white.
First, you take a strawberry and dip it in. There we go. And then you take a pan with parchment paper and put it right on.
While these are hardening, we're gonna dip some other strawberries.
Next up is Frankenstein.
Dip it green and stick on some eyeballs. We're gonna start with some yellow so we can do candy corn.
I thought that was mustard.
Now we're gonna do plain chocolate with Halloween sprinkles.
With orange, we are going to be making pumpkins.
And the second layer of our candy corn. For Frankenstein,
We're going to be making a smile and a scar.
for ghosts, you're going to do a mouth and eyes. For the pumpkins, to make them into jack-o'-lanterns, we're going to do 2 eyes, a mouth, and a nose if you want. For the mummies, you're gonna dribble on some white, and then you're gonna add some candy eyes. Last but not least, we're gonna dip the very ends of the candy corn white.
Make sure that the orange and yellow is still showing. If you're gonna give them for presents, make sure to package them up nicely like we did. There you have it, Halloween dipped chocolate strawberries. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
You're gonna do it. Dwizzle.
That should be the funniest blooper.
First, let's melt the strawberries. I'm dying to eat you. I'm dying to eat you.
It's not coming out.
Because we're gonna.
Why have we been calling it pumpkin the whole time?
Yeah, we need to say jack-o'-lanterns.
Jack-o'-lantern. Make sure.